What's up, YouTube, man? I done went and picked the boat back up, man. I ain't had this on for 2 days. I've been in the house for like 2 days. I've been in the house, bro. Just I ain't doing shit but playing the game, bro. But, you know, I just come pick up my baby, bro. Different driving now, cause I was driving my sister's car for like my sister's car, man. Cause she been having my car, but it feel different. Tripping, man. Watch out. Oh yeah, man. But I've been thinking about doing a bubble tune on this, doing a bubble tune on my car, but I don't know, cause a bubble tune, man. Some of the cars I've been looking at, they've been popping too loud, and they've been popping a lot. So I don't know, but I know it's a lot of stuff though. But I'm gonna get my tips when I come back. Get my tips probably next month or something, or earlier than that. I get my tips. And I've been looking at headers and stuff too. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna get. But I know, man, I'm trying to get to the house, man. I'm tired, bro. I have to go get my sister's car, bring my sister's car to her. Down here, cause they don't really know me down here. But where I'm from, my town. Ain't too many laws. There's laws down here, but man, what is they doing? Y'all see that? They tripping. Left in the rear view, you feel me? Get over here. I need to let my window down, cause I love this shit. But yeah, though, man, I'm trying to keep making videos. Y'all go and like, subscribe, comment. I ain't gonna put it, I'm staying in eco mode right now, little baby mode, man. I'm in just a little street mode. I ain't need to get out the way, bro. I can't really do everything, cause man, I'm driving one hand, y'all see. We on 45. Slow that scat down, man. I love the sound of this, man, but I want it louder. I think I see a Camaro right there. Let's see what that is. Hopefully I don't see a one. You did. But them Camaros, they be scared to race. Especially the ones in Madisonville. Them 5.0s be scared too. I'm gonna go on and cut the video, man. Y'all like, subscribe, comment, let me know whatever. I'm gonna get back with y'all.